Good morning, Nairobi. Happy birthday.
Okay.
I wish I had the same illusion
Hey, Nairobi.
that I
Outfit
did when I was
change.
2 and didn't think that I could ruin anything at all. I could never fall. I wish I had that same conviction, convinced I never needed fixing. Yeah, that girl really knew her business. Where did she go? Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anything.
Good morning, Nairobi. Happy birthday. You packing your
I
bags?
have my 6 crown.
You got your 6th crown?
Well, I need to get dressed, so don't shut up.
You on camera. All right, she getting packed, y'all. And then they gonna make their bed. Her and her cousin in here.
Well, I only have killer. Oh,
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hey, babes. Welcome back to my channel. It's Maria Nairobi. All the ones that's returning, thank you, thank you, thank you. And all my new babes. Hey, girl, hey. So it is another vlog, y'all. It is my baby's 6th birthday. Nairobi is turning, well, yeah. She turned 6 today, y'all. My baby is turning 6 years old. I can't believe it. And she's so excited, y'all. She's so excited about her birthday. So we're actually going to be going to the shore and getting a hotel and doing like an indoor water park and just having some fun with the family. I'm actually at the Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, because I'm trying to make her a basket. I'm trying to make her a basket. I have all the things that goes in it. She's like just a girly's girl. Sorry, she is a girly girl. So I got her like all this like face care stuff and perfume and body butter and like little fake nails, like the little kid nails that you just press on, and some other little like girly stuff. All like pink. I got her like face wipes. I got her makeup, kid makeup of course, and so yes, I got all that stuff, but I need to get some cellophane so I can put it all in a basket. I thought I had some at home, but I don't. I couldn't find it in my basement, so I'm here trying to find some. Hopefully I can, so I can make it into like a really, really cute basket. My drawing was lifting earlier. I had to spray some. That's why it looks a little shiny. So yeah. So hopefully I can find some, put it all in a big basket. She's gotten so many calls and FaceTimes saying happy birthday. I just love it. I love when people support my baby. But alright, I need to focus. So I would think it would be, this look like all wrapping paper. Yeah, this is all like gift wrap. Yeah. Yeah, gift wrap. I don't know. I do want one of these though. This is super cute. I wish I was on live because I need someone to tell me what else I can use to make like a basket. Like what other material? Because I have no idea. These are posters. What is that? No. Let me just ask. Excuse me. Excuse me. Hi, do you have cellophane? What's that? It's like the clear stuff that you can wrap like a basket with or something. Or anything similar to it. I was just over there and it's only like wrapping paper.
You use a where?
Over there.
It's out there.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, I think they do got it. I think it's right here. Cello wrap. I think this will work. Maybe. See, I don't know what this is. Oh, paper cellophane. I think this will work. I think. All right. Thank you. I found it. All right, so we got it. We just gonna use this and just improvise. I got some bows to put on it. And you know what? Maybe I should get some ribbon just so I can tie it up top. I'm trying to hurry up. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna brush this over so I can check it out.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. I'm getting away, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Living in my dreams all night.
My magic stick. Mommy, can you cut this?
Alright, y'all, we are on our way. It's my nephew, my little cousin, and why are you hey, birthday girl!
It's my birthday.
It's your birthday, beautiful.
Yeah.
You ready to party? Alright, so we about to get on the road and head to the shore. I actually did not even bring the basket because she already seen what everything is in the basket, and we ran out of room. I have a sedan and we got a lot of luggage, and she has like I think 4 gift bags, big gift bags, so she'll open the rest of her gifts when she gets there. And yeah, y'all, see y'all later. Atlantic City. We made it to the hotel, y'all. Yeah. We made it. We about to go check in, and then we're going to try to find something to eat. Whew. I know you got all your.
Well, I don't want my work back. It just has a couple things.
I'm gonna go check in. All right, be careful with that jumping. You want to go to the beach?
Not that beach.
There's people out there too.
We'll wait for Florida for that.
Oh my god.
All right, we have our rooms. The lady was so sweet. Like, thank you. I appreciate it.
Come on, mama.
Look, I'm making sure she on here. She gave us a discount. 3427. Come on, Bobo. So we are room. She got us adjoining rooms because we have other people coming. 6427.
6427.
Yep.
I mean, when we go to Florida.
So yeah, that was nice. She let us early check in. She gave us a discount for that. Just, I appreciate it. Good vibes. Good vibes.
My queen.
She knew
You eat your cupcake?
No, she comes.
Oh wait, you took away one break?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't notice that. That's why you say you did something different.
Yeah. Just a little bit. Because it was already, I'm like, I ain't feel like it. Alright, go ahead. Open it, mama.
Okay.
I don't know who this gift is from, though.
Rap. I hate raps. Hey, get out! What is wrong with you?
It just melted to me and said Princess Nairobi.
Oh yeah.
I don't know who it is.
Not the name though.
I thought it was Armani. But she said, because she said she should be getting gifts. I gotta contact her. That is cute, boy.
But you don't know who it's from.
Ooh.
So,
Oh, it's a teacup set. This is so cute.
Glass.
It looks like it.
so I have a teacup,
Aww.
like 2 teacups, another teacup.
Oh,
I have
yes.
little spoons.
Oh, I had a teacup set when I was
I
growing up.
have,
Alright, so we not doing this right here, though. Oh, it's so cute.
Yeah.
what's here?
It sounds like porcelain. Porcelain?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to see. Who Sakil about something like that. But I don't want to be asking people and make feel guilty that they didn't buy her. I don't know who it's from. They didn't have a.
That person in there got you flowers. They was like, no.
Yeah.
And it was like, oh, I ain't
Oh, that's so
That is so
cute.
We got another one coming in.
They like tiny and they so cute.
Mm.
Like that's the
Wait, I
cute
can
like
use
that.
this for an American Girl.
Yes, y'all can have teacup parties. All right, leave that in there. You're going to put everything back.
It's already broke.
Yeah, because we don't. Okay.
One of them broke.
No, the divider. I wanted a divider so it won't break.
Like
You can
clean
put it back in there though.
Yeah.
Get some tissue.
No, put that back in there.
Everything in here.
No, it can't touch. I'm just move on to the next one. I will handle that.
I'm gonna do big one.
Ooh, that's from Aunt Miss. Okay, that's from Mommy. I was about to say, and Kayla.
It better be good.
Don't. You need to be saying thank you,
Well,
little
thank
girl.
you, it better be good.
Oh, I better have a nice birthday for my gift for my birthday. It's baby doll clothes, Mama.
Oh my!
You didn't bring no baby?
No,
That's a shocking.
I know.
I'm not opening it now.
What's this? So we have a little baby set
Are these swimsuits?
and a tank top.
Uh.
So cute. Okay,
Who got her there?
Me.
you are so sweet.
Don't be shady.
Stop laughing. That's enough.
Oh.
Cute. What's this? Oh, happy. Cute. Keep on getting smaller and smaller.
Her balloons is in her room.
Yeah. Oh. I don't even got the thing to blow up all the balloons. Because it came after we left. That was with the bike.
Don't fret over my stuff. You don't want them garlic ass.
So that's from Kayla and Aunt Missy.
You put a beautiful wrapper paper, by the way. What in the world? Whoa.
It's a sleeping.
Oh, that's cute, Mom.
I like it. Oh, bro. Y'all go?
No, this the lid to the teacup.
Ooh, that was funny.
KJ was like, well, maybe it ain't open because it's.
Your birthday?
No, I'm at the house.
You at the house?
Yeah.
I thought you was at a hotel.
No, we're not at the hotel. No, we're not at the hotel. We got a new house, everybody.
Oh, God willing. Speaking into existence.
Mom! It's my mom. Guys, do you know my mommy name? She is so famous. Like, she uses das. She is so cute. But, ouch. My mommy's so famous. Like, she can do anything. She can dress good and she can see good. Mom, you want to see our video?
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no.
First thing. Oh gosh.
She can make all the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and then she could pull out all the little lies to tell yourself it lie. Never get it wrong, it's always
Hey Nairobi, outfit change. Outfit change. Put your glasses on, man. And your sunglasses.
in the plate, in the plate.
Period,
She's unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else,
Come on, Nana,
I'm
come
not
on.
myself, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no.
Or somebody, oh. Thank you.
What happened to the rest of their food?
What happened to the rest of their food?
The 6 things then?
No, it ain't no way. Oh no, here you go.
Here. Y'all see it moving?
Why you smiling?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
Don't play with your drink. I should have got their chicken.
Is that cornbread? Oh, plain beef.
All right, y'all.
Now listen, y'all gotta listen. Don't go jumping in the pool. Wait.
I don't just want to do it.
Thank you. Don't make her get buckled, Mari. They keep asking her why. And she over it.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I'll be more. Picking the plate, being the plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly.
Whoa. Is he liking it? Is he liking it? Hey y'all, so I didn't actually get in the water because it was too cold and I do not like no cold water. I am beat. We are about to go get the kids some dinner. And I'm coming back probably to take a shower and get in the bed. I talked all the stuff like we going out tonight because we got a sitter. And I think I'm going to be right in the bed because I'm an old lady. But yeah. Good morning. Day 2. Okay, look it up, my video. So day 2, we are heading to the water park. And yes, I need a coffee or something. I'm so tired. But yes, the kids are ready. They certainly wake up ready. Nairobi, down. Thank you. All right. So we've been walking. How long we walking? Like 15 minutes, 20 minutes? 20 minutes. It's so hot. But we out here. I was just telling my little cousin that I'm going to have a 10. And I got pooped on by a bird. You can't really see it. But I heard that if you get pooped on by a bird, that means money coming to you. So I had to say a little prayer that hopefully money comes to me because I need some money. I'm so hot and delusional, y'all. My tan gonna be on fleek though. Whew. Yesterday I walked, Yesterday I walked 12,000, I had 12,000 steps. So today, I'm gonna have something similar. Yes, baby. We're almost there, Nairobi. 5. I didn't say. First thing, KJ. Nobody asked for clarification. All right, y'all. So, y'all, we had to get a little cart thing, y'all, because it was too far.
Nana was gonna catch this thing. You hear
No,
me?
she was crying. Nana was like, oh, Mama. You happy now, Nairobi?
You gonna see Erica?
I don't see her. She probably gonna slow walk it. So it's $7 for a ride. Hey, Amari, my nephew.
Sorry about the wait.
It's $12 for all day, and then it's what is it? $7 for all day. No, $12 for all day, and $7 for adults, and $13 for all day for adults, $7 all day for kids. For us to ride. So y'all. So my lace is starting to lift, y'all. Hopefully it. You made it. My mom paying down. My mom paying.
Alright, my.
And we're off.
Okay, so Google Live. This was not a 10-minute walk.
It's like 30, 40.
It's like an hour walk.
Yeah.
Like 3 miles. Google said it was 1 mile. He said it's like 3 some miles. 3 miles. Wow. That lemonade is good.
I know. It looked like they in there. They probably didn't open yet. No, for real. We could have ate anything we wanted today. How much? Huh? You ready? Woo. We made it! You made it, Mama? Look, Ma! Ma, you wanna go say hi?
I wish I had the same illusion that I do when I was 2 and didn't think that I could ruin anything at all. I could never fall. I wish I had that same conviction, convinced I never needed fixing. Yeah, that girl really knew her business. Where did she go? Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw.
Nairobi! You on camera? No, you ain't get on. No, I don't trust us that much. Hey, gang, gang. Come on, man. Gang, man. Say cheese. So we're leaving a water park. We've been here for about 6 hours, and mission accomplished. No candy.
You see that?
So now we about to find something to eat on the boardwalk. I'm so tired, y'all. Hey y'all, so we're actually heading back to the boardwalk. We just had to go back and take showers, And now we're gonna go to Johnny Rockets just because we just think that's gonna be best for the kids. This is my outfit. I feel so refreshed. Come on, kid. I feel so, thank you, baby. I feel so refreshed. And the kids feel refreshed. It's actually like chilly out tonight though. So, yeah. It's 11.
When the time it was said and done, but I need to use it, and I got
I want this smiley face. Speak for yourself. Thank you.
Stuck in the past watching videos of us. I have been trying to get rid of your stuff, but voices in my head are telling me to stop. It's all I have left, all I have of you.
Is you posting stuff you doing, Kayla?
Kids don't post. Alright, y'all, so we just got to a diner. Our appetizer just came out. Y'all see my lace is, I look crazy, y'all. My lace is lifting. But it is what it is. I can't wait to go home and take this wig off and wash it and reinstall it. But alright, babe. Bye. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Nairobi. Happy birthday to you. How old are you?
6.
How old are you?
6.
How old are you? How old are you?
Make a wish.